Welcome to Chitrayan Art Academy. Today I am going to show you how to draw basic part of 3/4 portrait on pencil. At first I am drawing the rough sketch of the composition. This portion for forehead, this portion for eyes and nose, and this portion for mouth. We divided the nose three parts. The upper parts is the top portions, the middle part is oval and lower part is circle. In 3/4 portrait, the left portion is more than the right portions. Otherwise, one portion is more than other portions. My earnest request to the viewers of my channel, watch this video till end. Don't skip the video. You can follow my drawing step by step. If you are enjoying my work, then please click the like button, subscribe and share my channel and press the bell icon to get regular notification for upcoming video. This is my rough sketch of 3/4 painting. This is my central line. This portion is for eyebrows and the level of eyes. This is the nose and mouth also and chins. Look at, there is little bit change. The right portion eyes is less than left portion eyes. Left portion eyes are bigger than right portion eyes, and the lips also. After finishing the rough sketch, then I am going to finalize the drawing with a single line. I think I finished my work. My only advice to you, practice every day because practice makes a man perfect. Feel free to tell us which type of painting you need to watch in our channel. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.